there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to create a Spotify account in 2025 or the latest version of Spotify. You can get your Spotify account in your Play Store from here. And once you download it, as I have already created my Spotify account, I can just show how to create it now. But I will show you the steps so that you can create that one. So go to Spotify's website and sign out of your existing account, and then create a new account by clicking on the sign up button on the top right corner of your website, and then enter your details to create a new account, including your email address and a new password. Once your new account is created, log in and start fresh by discovering new music, creating new playlists, and exploring Spotify's feature. And you can also take a Spotify's premium subscription on your account. And yeah, so that's all of it to create your Spotify account. Hope this video helps you out, and we'll see you in the next one.